Morning. Thank you. That was the quickest breakfast of my life. Now, off to snorkeling. Always starting the day in the right way, while we wait and hope that our guide will show up. Everyone knows Bonnie. Everyone's talking about him, but he's not here. Hey, we're waiting for you, man. You sleeping? Back to Crystal Beach. Yeah, we snorkeled, that was great. But now we wanted to enjoy a few hours. So we went to Crystal Bay for more snorkeling and for Bintang, of course. I forgot that you had these. And then you're like, ta-da! Surprise! Yeah, the best surprise of today. Oh yeah. Alright, round 2. Yeah. Doesn't look touristy at all. What are you talking about? The current is super strong. Challenge not to get out, to get in. Never experienced that strong current. She's like 5 meters just flushed away. Good spotting on that turtle. Nice. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Back to the harbor, then over to Lembongan for some sunset. And tomorrow dive, Sunday dive. Yeah. But this is the boat to Sanur, so I need to go to another harbor to set a public boat to Lembongan. So I have like 15 minutes to get there, so I gotta hurry up. Yeah, we're lucky we got you guys. Oh, really? He was like, well, we're 4, so we have to wait until the boat gets full. And it's like, if those 2 come, we'll go. Yes. Yeah, so else it would be like, okay, let's wait for 2 hours for next people. Yeah, what up, bro? Captain? Yeah, Captain Fantastic. Thanks, bro. Alright, amigo. Yeah, okay. Thank you, brother. Yeah. Yes. Nice. Pretty nice view when you come out. Goodbye. So I just drove to like Mangrove Forest and then this. What's your name?
Mangrove Forest.
No, your name.
Oh, Ibu Gede.
And she's like, hey,
Yes.
want to check it out? Now I can rent one of these. Go explore the mangroves. Very nice. Perfect. Yeah. Alright. Shukshama. Oh, wow. Oh, so quiet and peaceful. Just me and nature. Wonder if there are like crocodiles here. Getting pretty creepy. It feels like that. Is it a big fan? Yeah. That fat crocodile with the watch. Just gotta remember the way back. We're gonna get lost here.